In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find coordinates on Google Maps. Knowing how to grab the exact coordinates of a place can be really useful. Whether you're sharing a precise meeting spot, saving a location for offline use, or entering it into another app or GPS device. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll point out a few common details to watch out for so everything is clear. First, open Google Maps on your device. You can do this in a web browser on your computer, or by using the Google Maps app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the map can load properly and you can search for locations. Next, find the place you want the coordinates for. You can zoom and pan around the map manually, or simply use the search bar at the top. Type in an address, a business name, a landmark, or even a city or region. Once Google Maps has taken you to that area, make sure the map is zoomed in enough so you can clearly see the exact spot you're interested in. Now, to actually get the coordinates, the action is slightly different depending on your device. On a computer using the browser version of Google Maps, move your mouse over the exact point on the map where you want the coordinates. This could be a pin that Google Maps has dropped automatically, or just any point on the map. Right-click on that location. A small menu will appear, and near the top, you'll see a pair of numbers. Those numbers are the coordinates in latitude and longitude. When you click on them, they'll automatically be copied to your clipboard, and a small info box will appear at the bottom of the screen with the same numbers. You can paste those into a document, a message, or another app. On a phone or tablet using the Google Maps app, the idea is the same, but the gesture is different. Press and hold on the exact spot on the map. After a moment, a red pin will appear, and a panel will slide up from the bottom. In that panel, you'll see the coordinates listed, usually underneath the location name or description. You can tap on those coordinates to copy them, or tap the share option if you want to send them directly through another app. That's all there is to it. Once you've practiced this a few times, grabbing coordinates from Google Maps will become a quick, simple part of your routine whenever you need a precise location.